bad,
I really sound like a wicked cynic. Is that the right word? Cynic? When it comes to Team Corrali, it's like, I don't know what the heck goes on in my mind. It's just like I don't know. I inherently am biased. I'm trying not to be because again, I said I wanted Team Corrali to, not prove me wrong, but come on, dude. Push me off the fence onto the right side. So look at the difference between, what I had on it to factory. Significant difference. So yeah, it's definitely going to need to be geared up, but out of the box, I want to see how it acts in the backyard track. Pull off the rears and I'll see you outside. All right. Let's see what we got here. Got frozen ground. Feels like a nice day out, but the ground is still frozen. And because not much sun is getting back there, I mean a hell of a lot more sun gets back there now than it ever did before, but Team Corral, let's see what you got. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stalkers with ice. I said before, these tires are actually good. They have good grip. You know what? It's way under geared. But I think that's for a reason, man. Keep the speed down. The CSC is actually not bad so far. I was complaining about the punch, but if you're just driving it, dude, I think that's the issue, which really isn't an issue. I think, remember, this is all just, I guess, like secondary thoughts and my interpretation of things. So Team Corrali is that, what do I say, race bred. I really don't know. I guess that's what they're from. As far as I understand, people telling me, and what I've kind of think I know, was that they are from race buggies. And they're getting into the bash stuff. And it's almost like what they're doing is they're trying to hold true to racing stuff where technically sometimes race doesn't necessarily go with bash. If you get what I'm saying. I'm not saying this is a bad RC. It's good. I just don't know, man. And the fact that the stupid remote can't put it down normally. At least the normal that I'm used to. I could see this being a good RC on a controlled surface. I think that's what I'm trying to say. This ground is so frozen. The nice small jumps, the common sense ones, like even that wasn't too bad. The common sense jumps, like that, landing on kind of a semi-smooth surface. Oh, right to me. I can definitely see this is a good RC. Oh my God, that sounded bad. Wow. The ice. That's tricky. Landing right on ice. And trying to go through straight on ice. Nope. God, did that sound terrible. Sounds terrible. That's what I'm saying, it's weird. Air control's actually still there. Just not recorrecting. Like that. It's not going to recorrect at all. Oh! How did I go right through that tree? Oh my God! That was bad on me, dude. I could have just destroyed this thing. Alright, no more trying to go through the ice. Wonder if I can hit this jump. See? Right into the nice soft landing. So that's not too bad. If I hit the nice, easy jump into a soft landing. Go this way. Let's hit this jump full rip. High centered. Zero control. Zero air control. Damn, dude, but going through that tree. Recording? Uh-oh, black screen. I'm really getting sick of this goddamn GoPro. Friggin' GoPro froze. It actually missed going through the tree. This thing's been ripping it nice. Lost a lot of footage. And it's not overheated, that's for sure. lost a shitload of footage. Basically saying I got zero air control. Kind of. If you screw up, you screw up. You gotta live with your mistake. Oh. Gotta have some in the tank. Wicked hard hit. That sounds like breakage hits. It's ripping pretty good. I see the connector falling out. Why is the connector falling out? Motor's probably on fire. Looking all right. Oh, Jesus. Not bad. That's a new take on it. I was just trying something. I think it kind of worked. Camera's black screen again. Oh, okay. Thought it was black screen again. So at least it's capturing footage this time, but it missed a whole bunch of good stuff. the toaster or the, we gotta do a sizzle test on the motor. Let's do a sizzle test on this motor. That's it. Guarantee this thing is sizzling. Oh, it's not. That's weird. It's actually not. Motor's fine. We actually got the low cut. We actually got the low cut, and there's a lot of footage that you didn't get to see because, well, because GoPro. So this is the Team Corrali thing here, the KAGAMA 4. It actually did pretty stinking good just now. See how that's looking? Those are looking okay. Shut this thing off. ESC feels good. Wires are mint. Battery's nice and nice hand warmer. But this motor's actually doing mint. So, like I said, it is kind of chilly out. But yeah, there we go. So there's a good run. This thing just made it a whole pack through. That's not bad, dude. The fact that it just made it a whole pack through, I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining at all on that one. Still need a small bit of convincing. I want to just keep thrashing the crap out of this thing and drive it in different terrains. The next place probably to go is Diamond Dust. Diamond Dust is the destroyer of all RCs, so not me. I ain't the destroyer, dude. I'm just the driver. Crappy one after that, but whatever. All right, so anyways, I'm out. Hopefully you get a chance to get out there, whether if it's cold, hot, 90, whether if it's 30. Hopefully you get a chance, get out there and rip something and have some fun with your life. I know I am right now. What about you?